I've got a quick unwrapping video for you for some used mini discs using a new camera today. There's a little bit of a noise in the background because I've got my PC on, sorry about that. I prefer to buy new mini discs, but I needed a few extra for a project I'm working on. And these are some that I haven't seen before, or haven't owned before. Just checking for the envelope for any addresses. Now, in case you don't know, I've only come into Minidiscs in the last couple of years. I didn't own one in the 90s and 2000s when they were new out, or when they were actually, you were able to get them in shops. But from what I understand, these high space Minidiscs were cheap ones, considered to be cheap and nasty, I think. But I can't see any reason why they would be any worse than any other discs apart from the manufacturing material. Having said that, that mini disc looks as if it's it's not very what's the word, it's like cloudy, that's the word I was looking for. Let's have a look at another one. Extra high digital grade. Okay, there's a load of marketing rubbish, really. They open at the top. Made in France. These used, I assume they've got nothing on them, I'll probably erase them anyway. That's a funny frosting, looks like a frosting on that disc, doesn't it? Sort of there, maybe you can see it, there we go, in circles. So I might have to do a test recording of those, make sure they're working. They do look dusty, don't they? Dusty on the inside as well, by the looks of it. Now, who's that? I think he's German or Austrian friend. He's a YouTuber that deals with mini discs. He said he cleans the inside of his mini discs. I'm not sure whether that's really necessary. Let's have a look and see what's on the inside of these. I think he said he's not doing any more mini disc videos, which would be a shame. So there's a little mark on it. Yeah, they are dusty on the inside. So I'll blow it out. Yeah, that looks a bit better. There's a nice, I think it's an aluminium shutter. Yeah, pleasant enough design on those, all the same, I would assume. They do look kind of, maybe they were cheap. I know you can get different grades of the stuff they put on them to make them magnetic, and the different layers. It might just be the design of them, because they all look about the same. Yeah, because some of them come in different colours. Like these ones, the disc itself is purple or different colours. So maybe these high space ones are designed to be a bit frosted. But nice enough. Oh, look at the state of that. That's just on the outside. Let me give them a clean up. What I do like about these high space ones is the, I suppose you call it a J card, wouldn't you? It's there's plenty of space to write down your tracks. You don't have to stick a label on the disc or the case. I suppose with a few of these I could actually just photocopy these and cut them out and put them in other discs. But yeah, cheap and nasty maybe, but definitely practical.